Well, I'm back. This morning, it was Monday. So on Mondays, I don't get opportunity to like trade the New York morning session. But when I woke up this morning, I woke up a little late, and I did a video. I think it was like part three, and I was talking about how that the algorithm has started to move down without me. And while on the live stream, I know, well, I think in the previous video I was talking about this area up here being an area of interest for me wanting to short, right? And thus far, the algorithm has not offered that. But while we were on the live stream this morning, I annotated this hourly SIBI here. If I go up to the hourly time frame, you see that that SIBI there, I pointed this out. I said this right here would be a nice low resistance signature to go back into the terminus. As you know, the terminus of this move that I started watching last night when I was looking for the move up and then some kind of signature to go down was to reprice the new week opening gap slash this huge liquidity void offer the downside. I mean the sell side delivery. Now that we've offered the sell side delivery throughout this liquidity void here, right? Well, I'll get to that in a minute. Okay. And then, so I was pointing out how we had engineered buy side liquidity going into the 930. Go back down to 15-minute time frame. We had engineered the buy side liquidity, and I said that going into 930, we engaged the pre-market low, right? Displaced away, so we were looking at the pre-market high, and I said, okay, once we take out the pre-market high, then this will be a nice low resistance area to enter short to go back to complete the terminus of that move. And the reason why I said this would be low resistance is because coming all the way back up here before we take out the terminus, that wouldn't really be low resistance. All right, I pointed that out on the live stream this morning, and I just wanted to reiterate it here for anybody that may have missed the live stream or wasn't there. Just want to reiterate it in this series here. So as you see, price delivered beautifully with the pre-market low trading back to the pre-market high. So let it establish the dealing range, engage the liquidity. We're in a discount, right? We engage the sell side first. That makes us look at the buy side. We go back, take the buy side, right? So we've took care of this. We've taken care of this dealing range. Then we trade back into that premium hourly SIBI there, right? Which is in the premium of the overall range, right? That's another reason why I picked it out, as you know, right? That was our premium PD array. So that right there was a nice low resistance signature of trading there and then coming to the terminus, and it delivered pretty well. I was unable to trade it because I was on the live stream, right, on the tape breeding stream, but that played out beautifully based off of, what was analyzed ahead of time. Now that we're here, just kind of engineering liquidity, not showing a willingness to just drop. Still curious to see if it tries to make a run back above this engineered buy side to trade back into this range here that I was initially watching, right? Because we're refusing to drop. So now we've engineered buy side liquidity here. So if we go up above that buy side, that would be a nice place to trade to for a shorting opportunity. Also still watching to see if that plays out, right? But again, don't try to call the tops, right? We just trade we see. Now we've taken that buy side. Remember we said this is the dealing range here. We've taken the buy side, right? We're not showing the willingness to continue up. We're starting to break down. So now this is more than okay to come back to the sell side, right? Let it establish a dealing range, engage with one side of the liquidity, look for signatures to go to the opposite side of the liquidity. And that daily dealing range, like I said before, is inside of this weekly dealing range. This is internal liquidity for this weekly dealing range, right? Hopefully that made sense. I'll see y'all in the next one.